Okay guys, let's get real. I did buy these. I did not have the things on hand to really make these the way I would like to have. So let's get to the video. Decor is my thing. Hello friends, thank you for taking the time to stop by. I do want to share some fall ideas for you and I hope I can inspire you. So let's get into the video. So I want to kind of add these to this little area here. Okay guys, so this is kind of what I'm playing around with. I wanted to put my little apple sign up here, but I can't find it at the moment, so this is kind of just what I'm doing, and I really am liking how it's turning out. Okay, so this is somewhat similar. I just changed out the barn doors and the pillow, but I really like this look as well. Oh yeah, and then there's no chalkboard back there. So I kind of want to do like the little apple theme. And I did pick up this little plaque from the Target dollar spot and this one as well. So that's kind of what I'm going to be working on. First of all, I want to start by putting some of these in these little mason jars because I'm going to be adding them to my decor up here. And you can't forget the cinnamon. I just like to show these kind of things in my decor because it just makes it look more homier, if that's even a word. So what inspired me was these little apple signs from the Target dollar spot, and along up there is the caramel one. So I will be displaying everything up there. But first I want to open these up, and I think I'm going to put the red suckers in here. Different kinds of caramel apples. So this is kind of what this one looks like, but I think I'm just going to keep the red ones in there because I think I have enough of the brown color. And these pies smell so good, guys. If you don't have time to bake pies, you could easily buy these little sweet pies. I got them at Walmart, and it just makes your display look just the more sweeter. I think it'd be so fun to do like a little caramel apple party. You could have your little nuts, your all kinds of dipping things for your apples. I think that'd be so sweet to do. So now I kind of want to put some ribbon on my mason jars. I got this at Michael's and it was 40% off. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one or this one. I'm going to put my little apples, my little caramel apples on this little cake stand. And I don't think I'm gonna go with that ribbon. I think I'm gonna go with this one since I already have this ribbon on there. Up there that I've been playing with back and forth. So I'm not sure. First I had the chalkboard. Maybe I'll display the chalkboard. I'm not sure if I wanna leave the chalkboard or add this, or just add some of these things up here. That's kind of, I think those are a bit high up there. So let's see. So this is how the setup really was, but I want to add more things to it. And I did add these little barn doors, which I'm not sure if I'm going to leave. And again, that's the empty spot that I'm still playing with. I did add some pumpkins down here and more apples, and I don't know if I should just do the whole caramel apple bar or just keep some pumpkins as well. Still playing with it, and I'm undecisive about the ribbon still. Okay, so I am going with that ribbon, and I'm gonna kind of remove everything here just to start over. I did put my little pies on this little 2-tier tray, and then I'm gonna fill this up with some apples and maybe put them on the side here. And these are just other little caramel candies that I bought. So I might just put these apples in there, or maybe real ones. So what I'm trying to do is remove some of the pumpkin that I had put to make it just all about the apples. Okay, so pretty much I'm done, but I didn't like this empty area here. So the finishing touch is gonna be this, and then I like the way it turned out. And I'll show you in detail. Okay, so I opened up the blinds. I wanna show you, this is my barn door. I took the other one off to give me more room, but I will add it on to tell me if you like it with the barn door or without, but I think I like it with. So this little apple bags, I did get this from Target Dollar Spot. Guys, and if I repeat myself, I'm sorry. It's because sometimes I'm not sure if the look of the light looks good, or maybe I did that on another day. But I added some apple juice because I don't really like apple cider, but this is just for the look. Then I went ahead and added the little pies here, and then more candy apples, more apples, more candies, and the inspiration here, the caramel apple bar. I think it just turned out so adorable. I really do like how it turned out. And this sign here was from last year. Now I did pick up the Target Dollar Spot new one that had apples and apple cider vinegar, but at the moment I had put it away. So that's what I'm gonna go with right now. This is what I'm going with right now. And guys, tell me what you think. Do you guys, I'm gonna show you the chalkboard one and then this one. I think maybe I like this one a lot better. It just really stands out. See, this is what I like. I like when you walk in that to grab your eye. And so usually I have shelves over here, different things, but today I wanted to do something different for the fall. I've never really done like apples, and I have done like caramel apples in another video, but those were like painted pink because it was like a pink theme. All right guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this decor, and I hope that it inspired you. You can turn your house into a store. You can turn it any way you want. All it takes is just a little bit of love, and things are don't have to be so expensive. So I'm gonna add the other barn door, and I do have these other barn doors here. So not sure, I change things out all the time. I just like to see which one looks better. Thank you guys. So this is the one I was talking about. I found it, so I went ahead and put it there just so you could see. But I was gonna take out the apple cider, maybe add something else to it. You want a piece of pie? I think you could get a big old pie and share with your family, but this was kind of just, well, we're gonna eat it, but it's just kind of for the look. I didn't want a big old pie. Okay, so here it is with the barn doors, so it could give you that illusion that it is from a barn. And then I'll take a step back. And then I'm gonna put the white ones, the white barn doors. Okay, and these are my other barn doors. I love to decor with these barn doors. The other ones, the brown ones, are like picture frames. These I got at Hobby Lobby a while back. They were like on clearance. But guys, this space, I turn it different ways. Last Halloween, it was a black chalkboard. And all I did was just take some of this board that I bought from Home Depot and added shelves to it. I got one shelf here, this one, and this isn't even a shelf. This is just something that I placed there because I had an idea what I wanted to do. And again, I used the barn doors to give it more of a look. And I'm gonna take off all the barn doors so I could show you that it's just an empty space. If you guys ever want to recreate something like this. And I added a desk here because I wanted somewhat to look like in the future, like when Christmas comes or whatever, maybe like a coffee bar or stuff like that. Okay, so this is without anything. Now, when I get tired of the barn doors, I do add other shelves that I got here. I got some other shelves that I add, or I'll add more stuff here. So it doesn't look so bare, but I just want to give you a look on how I display my decor. It's really simple. Rocky, you're making me look bad here. Rocky, come on. I'm trying to take you a picture. Hello? You don't want anybody to see you for Halloween?
Amen.
Rocky, get up. Get up. Oh, wow. Wow. This is how grateful you are. I buy you a Halloween outfit and you don't even want to display it for me.